is Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about looping conditional codes. Goal: use an if statement inside a loop to toggle a switch or collect a gem. In this puzzle, there are 12 tiles containing a gem, a switch, or a portal. If there is a gem on the tile, collect it. If there's a closed switch, toggle it open. If there's a portal, simply move forward. Watch the wireframes when you run the puzzle. They'll show you possible items that might appear. Instead of writing a long series of if statements, you can combine the power of conditional statements with loops and write your logic inside of a for loop. And because a tile might contain a gem or switch or neither, it's a great opportunity to use else if block to check a condition. In the for loop below, add an if statement after the move forward to check is on gem or is on closed switch. 2. In your if statement, tap if and add else. If block to check another condition. So, and as I was reading, it said there was 12 tiles containing a gem, a switch, or a portal. So, in the code where it says for I in 1, 2, we have to say 12 because it just gave us the answers there. Now it gives you a move forward, and we have to use if. And after the if, the condition is going to be is on closed switch. Then we will toggle switch. Else, if is on gem, which because it might be on gem, we're going to do collect gem. And it's okay if you bump into a portal because you moved 12 times. So it's okay. Now I'm gonna run faster because this line of stuff is very long. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!